Have you ever seen a plant so pale it looks like it's been kissed by a ghost? These white succulents aren't just rare, they're mysterious, almost too perfect to be real. Some even look like they've been dusted in snow or carved from moonlight. But don't be fooled by their soft, dreamy look. Many of them hide some surprising secrets beneath the surface. Let's dive into the most enchanting, elegant, and eerily beautiful white succulents you can grow. White cloud forms a mesmerizing rosette of pale, almost frosty leaves with a hint of lavender. When it blooms, its delicate pink flowers pop dramatically against the white backdrop, a living snowflake in your plant collection. White ghost is ghostly in every sense. Its nearly translucent leaves are streaked with white, and under certain light, it almost disappears into the background. It's as if this plant is trying not to be seen. Haworthia variegata features strong white stripes on thick green leaves, like nature painted it with purpose. It's small, stylish, and often mistaken for a miniature aloe, but much more refined, with translucent tips and a thick coat of white hairs. White fox looks like it wandered out of a frost-covered forest. It thrives in bright indirect light, and you'll love its frosty, almost fur-like texture. White rose has the perfect symmetry and soft, silvery tone that makes it look sculpted. The dark pink edges bring just enough contrast to turn heads. It's a living piece of art. Don't let the plain name fool you. White one is royalty in the succulent world, with tightly packed leaves wrapped in a white coating. This plant looks almost ceremonial. You'll want it front and center. White Zaragoza flaunts banana-shaped leaves arranged in a tight rosette, with an icy white tone tipped in dark purple, a cold beauty with a bold attitude. Thick, sturdy leaves with creamy white and green variegation make White Christmas look like it's been dusted in fresh snow. Just like its name, it feels festive year-round. This aloe variety is streaked with white patches all over deep green leaves. White beauty is not just eye-catching, it's hardy and thrives with very little fuss, making it as practical as it is pretty. Covered in white donut-shaped dots, this succulent gives off a quirky, textured look. Donut's Haworthia's fun design hides a surprisingly tough plant that doesn't mind a little neglect. Lola Echeveria looks soft, fragile, and entirely magical. Its thick layer of white farina gives it a snow globe glow, and when the light hits it just right, it sparkles. Wrapped in white woolly hairs, this tall, slender cactus is often confused with the Peruvian old lady. Buxbaum cactus' odd look makes it a standout, and maybe just a little suspicious. This one looks like it's been wrapped in white fuzz. Despite its soft look, woolly senecio is a sun-loving, drought-tolerant warrior. Tiny but mighty, Arizona snowcap is coated in dense white spines. It's hard to believe such a small cactus can look like a puff of snow ready to melt. With cream and green streaks and a thick white layer, tricolor jade almost glows. It's not fully white, but trust us, it earns its spot on this list. Peruvian old lady cactus grows in spiky vertical columns, wrapped in white fibers like an old wise figure from the desert. It doesn't just grow, it commands space. Looking like it's dipped in chalky paint, snowflake cactus has dense white spines with a hidden green layer. It's a little eerie, a little beautiful, and entirely unique. Different from the earlier one, this euphorbia variety has pale white, almost bone-like triangular stems. White ghost can grow tall and unsettlingly statuesque. This agave variety features ghost gray leaves edged in sharp spines. White ice is cool, dangerous, and doesn't care for company. This Dudleya cultivar forms tiny rosettes of spectral white leaves. White Sprite looks delicate, but the moment you touch it wrong, it bruises. Handle with care, seriously. Covered in white hairs with red-tipped leaves, Tarantula echeveria lives up to its name. When it gets plenty of sun, it even shifts into a subtle bluish tone, giving off strange, otherworldly vibes. Silver dollar plant has round, fleshy leaves covered in a soft white dusting, With time, it grows small fruits, but it's those snowy leaves that will keep you staring. Super white, a bold name for a bold plant. This Haworthia features sharp stripes and white dots over dark green leaves. It almost looks computer designed. With long curved leaves washed in white, Batesiana white is eye-catching, but be warned, too much water and it sulks. This succulent has thick leaves coated with a powdery finish. White robin's blue-green tint adds an ethereal layer, like it's forever caught in a foggy dream. Compact, dense, and coated with a white cobweb-like net. Arctic white looks more like a spider's haven than a plant, but when it blooms pink flowers, it surprises you. With long sword-like leaves marked by white-yellow stripes. White-striped agave demands attention. Its thick spines edge every leaf like nature's warning sign. These white succulents aren't just plants, they're living illusions, frosted, ghostly, and just mysterious enough to keep your guests guessing. If you loved this list, hit like, subscribe, and join us for more rare and stunning plant discoveries.